Alright, so today we're going to be taking off the window tint on my car using this and this. Hopefully it works. This tint has been on the car since, I have no idea, over 10 years at least. That's how long I've had it. So let's try it and we'll see what happens. Alright, so to begin here, we're going to take advantage of the sun. We're going to use the heat and the ammonia and this glass cleaner to hopefully soften up the glue on this super old tint. And so we're going to spray this here on the window. Spray it really good. Make sure everything is there. Make sure everything's covered, I mean. And then we want to take our black plastic bag and stick it up against here. If it'll stay. Hopefully it'll stay. Might need to get some tape it on here, but we want to make sure it's sticking onto the window, and we're going to use the sun and this black plastic bag to make it sweat, and hopefully after like 20 minutes we can it'll just peel right off. We'll see. That's the hope anyways. Alright, so it's been 20-30 minutes. Let's check it out and see if we got lucky or not. Alright, let's see. Man, doesn't look like it worked too well. I'll try it for a little bit, see if it'll come off in one piece. If not, we'll try something else. Yeah, so this method sucks. I'm barely like halfway there and freaking hands tired from constantly. So next window we'll try a different method. Alright, so we got the driver's side window done and it was awful. The plastic bag method didn't work too well. So I'm going to try this with the Harbor Freight steamer. Just gonna steam up the window here and try to heat it up, get the glue all hot, and hopefully it'll peel off. If it doesn't peel off, just by hand, I'll use a scraper with the razor blade on it and it should come off pretty easy. So we'll see how this method does. So you want to spray it until the back of the glass is hot to the touch. See if it works. It's coming off easier than the last window, but it's still not easy. I don't know if there is an easy way to do this. This tint's probably like 20 years old for real. It's way too old. It's gonna take a while. We'll check in once it's done. Alright, so the steam method is probably the best way to go. And I also was using this right here, degreaser, to soak it. I soaked it first in degreaser, and I hit it with the steamer. Then I took a scraper with the razor blade and just scraped it all off. It looks pretty dang good. What do you think? Pretty good, yeah. So this is the one that I'm dreading back here. The rear. That's gonna suck, but yeah, I think that's the way to go with the steamer. The plastic bag and the glass cleaner, I think it didn't work so well because this is ammonia free glass cleaner. Or no, it's with ammonia. Never mind. I don't know why it didn't work then. I guess it just sucks. But yeah, so if you do this, use the steam cleaner and degreaser and a razor blade. That's probably the best way to go.